This is Lori at the National Hardware Show, and I'm at the Scrub Daddy booth with Angela, and they've got a little offset with the Cart Daddy, which has got some really neat shopping bag features that really will make our life a lot easier. Angela, you got to show this to us because you can show it a lot better than what I can try to explain it. So take it away.
Absolutely. So this is our reusable shopping bag system. It actually just won this awesome award today. So it's a Retailer's Choice Award. So you'll see this in the stores soon. But basically, it has 3 or 4 reusable shopping bags. When you're in the store shopping, you can sort your groceries directly into each bag, categorize it however you like, your frozen foods, your produce, etc. And then when you're done shopping and you want to load the bags into the vehicle, you simply unvelcro them and they break into individual bags. When you're done shopping, you can put them all back together. Simply push them together and you'll pull up the Velcro strap. They close and you have a nice carrying case to either stow in your car or in your home. And one of my favorite attributes about it is that if they get a little dirty, you can simply pull out the plastic pole and there are laundry, and you can laundry them. So I hope that you guys enjoy them and pick a set up when they're on the market.
That is fantastic. Thank you so much, Angela.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.